Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Johnny. You are watching TechPace and wristwatch check. This is the G-Shock GVA2100 यानी कि KC Oak, and today I'm gonna be unboxing the infamous InBook X1 from Infinix. तो ये घर पे हो चुका है डिलीवर. You can see a major X on the screen. That is this X. और ये है उनका नया लॉन्च हुआ 10 जनरेशन का i3 वाला वर्जन वाला InBook X1. So बिना किसी देरी के let's just unbox this thing and have a look कि what do we get inside the box, and we'll also have a little bit of the overview of this laptop within a split of a second. So let's just do it. Florence George, TechPace, let's do it. Do it. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Johnny and you are watching TechPace, and today I'm going to be unboxing this Infinix InBook X1, and this is a brand new laptop. I recently bought this thing for my sister and अभी हल करते हैं इसको unbox. Let's do it. Okay, inside the box we get, it's a very tiny portable device, 14 inches in diagonally, and यहाँ पर we get a charger, that means the power brick, and this one is a 66 watt power brick, and this comes inside the box. Pretty standard, I guess. Keeping it over here. Then we also get a Type-C, and we also get a Type-C to Type-C cable, which is, I guess, pretty good in length, I assume. It's a very hefty quality of wire. So a Type-C cable, a Type-C charger, and then we get nothing but the main Infinix X1 book over here, which is, there's a manual over here, and some other paperworks are also here. A warranty card, I mean. And yeah, there we have it. The absolutely stunning looking Infinix का InBook X1. सबसे पहले तो इस Infinix के अल्ट्रा बुक यानी कि लैपटॉप के अंदर आपको देखने को मिल जाते हैं 3 कलरवेज यानी कि रेड, ग्रीन एंड सिल्वर. दिस वन इज द ग्रीन कलरवे विद द कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ऑफ द 10 जनरेशन का 10 नैनोमीटर वाला i3 1005 G1. Now this thing is priced at the price of 36,000 rupees. इसकी बॉडी इज entirely made out of aluminum. Now the brand says कि इसका जो फिनिश है वो एकदम ही एयरक्राफ्ट ग्रेड एल्यूमिनियम फिनिश है, which I might really agree to, क्योंकि इसका जो सरफेस है दिस इज नॉट अ फिंगरप्रिंट मैग्नेट, बल्कि इसके अंदर जो फिंगरप्रिंट्स हैं वो दिखते नहीं है. दैट मीन्स कि ये जो चीज़ है ऑलमोस्ट एकदम एक फिंगरप्रिंट प्रूफ डिवाइस है, which is just great. अब बात करते हैं इसके पोर्ट्स के ऊपर. तो यहाँ पर ऑन द राइट साइड यू गेट अ माइक्रो SD कार्ड स्लॉट ओवर हियर, अ 3.5mm jack, that's a combo of audio and microphone both. You get a USB type 3.0 and type A of 3.2 Gen 2, I guess. And यहाँ पर Kensington lock है यहाँ पर. And on the left hand side you get privacy switch which can disable your both cameras and microphones, and 2 USB type C ports, a USB 3.0 का full size port, and also a full size HDMI port, and then there is a redundant power source which is going to be a DC in from this side. Otherwise आपको इसको चार्ज करना हो तो they have given you a Type-C to Type-C वाला charger, and of course a USB cable over here. According to me this is absolutely a great product, and if you want a proper full review of this thing please subscribe करें, because I'm going to be showing you every single thing in detail of this laptop. I'm actually going to be opening this thing up and I'm going to be showing you कि इसके अंदर जो RAM वगैरह है वो सोल्डर्ड है कि नहीं है, because even now I don't know कि RAM जो इसकी सोल्डर्ड है कि नहीं है. So please subscribe करें, and I'm going to meet you all soon in the next video where I'm going to be doing a proper review of this machine यानी कि InBook X1 of the Infinix brand. So yeah, with that shit guys, let me know how was the video. Do drop a comment, and in case you want to buy this thing I'm going to be dropping the purchase link of this product in the description box below. Yeah, with that said I'm going to meet you soon in the next video, and तब तक के लिए take care and peace out. Johnny out.